today. Severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Miami County, Champaign County, northwestern Clark County, southeastern Shelby County, southwestern Logan County, until 11:45 p.m. At 11:03 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Troy, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Urbana, New Carlisle, Northridge, St. Paris, West Liberty, DeGrasse, Quincy, Christiansburg, Northampton, Fletcher, Tremont City, Casttown, Valley High, Spring Hills, La Pinkett, Dialton, Rosewood, Havenview, Ballou, and Thackeray. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now